I want to videotape her hiccups. Aw, the hiccup stopped. Here we go. Hi, Emily. You're supposed to like get it back or something. Stop hiccups.
Not hiccups?
Yeah, hiccups.
After drinking milk.
Then get milk. Okay. Say bye, Emily. Bye.